Hey there, I'm Lauren and this is Casey. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This video is part of our Holiday Hack series where we're sharing tips and tricks to make the holidays more manageable.
Today we're going to share 2 simple ham glaze recipes to give your ham a makeover this holiday season.
So while ham is great on its own, definitely a staple around the holidays, you can really dress it up with a very simple glaze recipe.
Yes, so glazes are generally including some kind of sugar, which then caramelizes when it's baked with the ham, and that helps to give it that nice glazed look, and it adds really great flavor as well.
Yes, so it makes it look really pretty, very gourmet, but also tastes really good.
Right.
So a couple steps for adding glaze to your ham. Number one, when you're selecting a ham, you want to shoot for about 3/4 pound per person if it's bone-in ham, and about 1/4 pound of ham per person if it's boneless ham. From there, you want to score the ham in like a cross-hatch pattern, and that will just help that glaze kind of seep into the ham and really give it a lot of really good flavor. And then from there, you want to cook the ham first for a while. The recipes will have specific directions, and then you'll remove the ham from the oven, brush it with some glaze, put it back in the oven because you don't want that glaze to burn, and then you're good to go.
Voila, yes. So we actually have a few ham glaze recipes to share. So one of them is a bourbon maple ham glaze. So delicious.
So good.
Yes, those flavors are so great with the ham. And then the other one that we have is brown sugar and mustard glaze. And this one, spoiler alert, that's all there is in it.
So simple.
Very simple. All you do is mix those together and add them to the ham like Lauren was saying, but very simple, and we have them both available on our season site.
Yes, and while you can glaze your ham, you can also serve more on the side, which is really, really delicious too.
So try this hack, share it on social media using #HolidayHack. Find more videos from this video series on our YouTube channel, and find more recipes at festfoods.com/seasons.
Happy holidays!